Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Install the RAR app from Google Play or sideload the official APK, then open it and grant storage permission so the app can read and write files. Use your phone file manager to locate the RAR file in Downloads or a Cloud Sync folder. Tap the archive to preview its contents. Confirm at least 100 MB free storage for temporary extraction files, and avoid extracting to the SD card if it is slow or encrypted to prevent read/write errors during decompression. Open the RAR app and tap the archive to see its file list. Long press individual files to select specific items or tap the checkbox to select all. Press Extract to choose a target folder such as internal storage/my files or a custom path, then confirm. If prompted for a password, type it exactly, respecting case and spaces. Encrypted archives will not extract without it. Watch the progress bar. Large archives like 500 MB require more time and steady battery power, so avoid interrupting the process. To create a RAR, open the RAR app, navigate to Files, select Items, and choose Compress. Enter an archive name and select RAR format for best compression. Use split to volumes if you need parts for email or size limits. Set a part size such as 50 MB to produce multiple files like archive. Part 1. RAR archive. Part 2. RAR. For security, enable password protection and AES 128 encryption using a strong phrase. After creation, share the single RAR or the parts via email, messaging apps, or a cloud link, and keep a backup copy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.